What's up, everybody? It's Zeus. All you're gonna need is your pomade, water, and a comb, okay? This right here is a rat tail comb because of this thing right here. I love this comb. This is your best friend if you're gonna be styling your hair like this, okay? So I'm gonna wet my hair, okay? You wanna have it damp. You don't want it this wet. You know, I probably wet it a little too much, so I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. Give me one moment. All right, so I dried it up a little bit. It's not that wet anymore, but it's still damp, you know? That's how you wanna have your hair when you're gonna, before you put pomade in it. All right, now I'm gonna put some on. You don't need much for this look, okay? So I probably put about that much on there. Put it on the palm of your hand and then just like rub it like that. And just, you put it in from the roots to the tips, okay? In the middle too. See how I'm bringing it to the roots? From the roots to the tips. Roots to the tips. In the middle of your hair. Back. Make sure it's all in there. And now you just grab your comb and you just slick it back. Now, the dope thing about this right here, about this comb, is that it's meant for the comb over, I believe, or for parting, you know? You wanna start at the corner of your hairline, okay? Now, if you have a cowlick back here, which I do, but it's not as strong as most people, you wanna basically connect the corner of your hairline to the center of the cowlick that you have. Cowlick, C-O-W-L-I-C-K, I believe. But yeah, I don't really necessarily have one that strong, so I can just put my line wherever. I can put it like this. I can put it up here. Some people comb it, put the part like this. Some people put it right down the middle and then just split it like that. I'm just gonna drag it along my head, and then I'm gonna grab these hairs. And then with the comb, I'm just gonna direct it to the right, okay? That's what I'm doing, that process. I can't really see, let's see. This is super hard to see because I'm looking through my phone camera, not the mirror, all right? So. And if your hair is not cooperating like mine right now, you can add a little bit of water. The water will allow you to direct it again. You don't want to put too much though. And you want to press on it. You want to press on it with your hands, okay? And since it's still not cooperating and the water didn't help, I'm gonna add a little bit of pomade in that area. So about like that much. Do the same thing. Rub it on the palm of my hand, spread it out. With the tips of my fingers, I'm gonna touch those two hairs like, and the palm of my hand, I'm just gonna rub that little area right here. Now with the comb, front part, you see how my hand follows the comb as I slick my hair back. Check it out. All right, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and stay handsome, my friends. All right, I'm Zeus. Follow me, subscribe. Peace.